Alright, this is a 1996 Windmere 10-inch box fan, model BF1000. I haven't been doing very many before videos of stuff lately, but I felt that this one kind of deserved it because I was amazed that it still runs as well as it does, considering just how dirty it is. It doesn't really move any air at all anymore because the whole thing's kind of, light bulb in my way, whole thing's kind of plugged solid to the point where it just kind of cavitates against the front grille. But it does still run pretty good, which was amazing to me. The bearings are definitely dry, but I guess I don't need to be off to the side on this one. It's not going to make much wind noise. That's low. Yeah, I mean, it's basically touching the grill. There's no airflow. Medium. Now it's kind of starting to move a little bit of air. Here's high. The blades are so heavy with dirt, it takes it forever to speed up. And I imagine it is probably supposed to go quite a bit faster than this. But, like I said, as bad as it is, it still runs pretty good. Doesn't spin all that great because the bearings are probably basically dry, but yeah, that's it. Yeah, I guess I'll show you the tag. I don't know if you can read that date code, but it's 9602, which would be February of 96. So yeah, thanks for watching.